Hey YouTube, it's Chad from Chad's Garage. Been a long time since I've seen yous. I've got a lot of things that have changed over the last 9 years since I've made a video. In fact, my last video, my little guy here was a toddler, and there's my daughter. So the things that have changed, well, we sold our house in town, so Chad's Garage got moved, and we bought a farm. So that's explaining why the name of the channel has changed to Chad's Farm or Robert's Farm. We bought a little farm, about 12.5 acres. The house needed a lot of work. It still does. We just bought it in November. Completely gutted it. So I'll show you that when I get back up there. We're just walking there now. We were at the back of the farm talking to the farmer that was renting the land. So as you can see, all the way back there, and I'll spin you around this way. You can see all that. That's ours now. So, well, the bank's, but ours too. So we're just walking back, and I'll catch up at the house. So through the magic of time, we're back at the house. So the first, what?
The magic of editing.
Yeah, well, the magic of editing. We're back at the house. True. So the first thing we did was put in a cement floor in the garage. You can see he had lumber floor. And I'll show you the garage once it's neater, because all of our stuff from the house is actually being stored there, which is no fun. So as it stands right now, we're staying in the trailer while the house is being redone. And we have big open pits. If my son would move out of the way, you'd be able to see. And that's for the hydro. I'll post the pictures of the actual real estate listing so you can see the difference on the before and what it is now. So I'm going to spin you around, or try to. I don't know if I can. There we go.
You won't be able to. Dad will take a photo.
No, so it won't be able to. So you'll see my point of view. So this is the kitchen. My lovely wife is running out of the way of the camera. Hi.
Hi.
And the dining room, which is my workstation right now. My daughter's room, the front office. My son's room, which is, a wide open room right now, and as well as the living room, and going to be the master bedroom once it's completed. Just spent all morning removing the bathroom that was here, because we're putting a bathroom back in there. So it'll be a process, and we'll keep you up to date and see how it goes.